Yung trail dito, ang magical.
Tara't makahalubilo sa mga engkanto sa bundok ng Makiling. Mount Makiling is one of my dream climb noong bata pa ako. And now that I'm starting my mountaineering era, the kid in me is fulfilled. We started the hike around 6:30 a.m. We had a late start, but that doesn't stop us from climbing Mount Makiling at first place. Mount Makiling has 30 stations for you to climb, and it has an elevation height of 1,090 meters above sea level. Total hours to hike is 6 to 10 hours with a distance of 19 kilometers. Back trail to, so kung saan ka nagsimula, babalik ka pa rin sa nakaraan. Oh, the joke. The trail from Station 1 until Station 11, which is Aguila Base, is sementado. Panayad na angal lang at lamang ang patag. We were informed by the guide na pwede kami mag-trail run, but we needed to wait for them up until Aguila Base. Kasi after nun is the entry to Makiling's forest. Be informed din na merong cut-off for climbing Mount Makiling. So if hindi nyo maabot yung Station 20 within 12 o'clock PM, you can proceed to summit. And climbing Mount Makiling, I understand why. Along the path of the trail is a different beauty. Dito, wala masyadong overseeing view, but the forest is magical. You can see life itself sa trail. She's not called a rainforest for a reason. Naglalaki ng mga puno, unusual plants na bihira mo lang makita, and also pang IG worthy na mossy forest. So, the trail from 11th station until the 20th is easy. It's not too technical, konting ahon, but it's more on the rocky side yung trail. Madaming maliliit na bato, so better foam up your shoes. The trail becomes more challenging beyond Station 20 with steeps and technical sections. Dito, may mga rappel, bamboo ladders, tapos dagdagan mo pa ng maputik at mabatong trail. Dito, nagkanda dulas-dulas ako kasi sobrang putik na ng sapatos ko. The mossy forest started at the 28th station. Although maganda rin scenery, pasakit naman yung trail. Dito, mapapatanong ka kung minor hike pa talaga si Makiling. There's nothing special at the summit since natatakpan nga siya ng mga puno. There's no overlooking view at the top. But on the right side of the peak lies the magical mossy forest. Dito yung signature photo ops ni Makiling, and it really did not disappoint. Overall, Mount Makiling is very challenging hike for beginners, and you need to prep up if you are thinking of climbing this mountain. Thankfully, wala din masyadong limatek that time since sikat nga si Makiling for unlimatek or blood-sucking leeches. We'll surely be back at this mountain but traversal hike na, which is the Santo Tomas Trail. Once again, see you on the next summit, Kaahon.